What's up, Geeksters? It's me, Omar from geeksterlabs.com, and today, guys, I picked up the cheapest possible glass screen protector I could find for the iPad Pro 11-inch. The brand on this one is MacBoost. I'll have a link, MaxBoost. I have a link to this down below in the description. I got this off of Amazon. I believe I only paid about $6 for this screen protector, okay? This is the cheapest one I could possibly find just because I wanted to see what kind of quality you can get and how different it would feel. How different the installation will be from something I've purchased or used in the past, which is like $30, $40 screen protectors for the iPad. Definitely recommend you guys going with tempered glass. I've had tempered glass screen protectors on my iPads in the past that have protected the iPad from completely cracking. The screen protector got cracked, but the screen of the iPad did a really good job and it held intact. So I definitely recommend you guys using those tempered glass ones, okay? But $6. Let's see how this goes, okay? So let's go ahead and do some of these steps, step by step, to make sure I can do a perfect install on my iPad Pro. So first off, let's get this one out of the way. If you guys want to check out this case, I got also this case for $10 on Amazon. That's my Moko case. I have a link up in the right corner if you guys want to check out that review. Very nice case, especially for $10. Okay, so let's check it out here, guys. We got some steps we gotta go through. I got the instructions right here, so let's see what we gotta do first. Okay, so right off the bat, it tells me I need to apply these stickers to the back of the iPad, so that way we can get this ready to go for the screen protector. So let me do this without scratching up my iPad, of course. So basically, and this is what you would do if your kit doesn't include guide stickers like this one does. You could actually do this with the stickers that come with it that they usually use for the dust removal type of thing. But fortunately, I don't have to deal with that because this actually came with the guide stickers. So basically, this one you just stick it to the back of the iPad, like that. And we're gonna take the iPad, flip it over. As you can see, my iPad's very dirty. Still, gotta clean it down. So we put those stickers right there to begin with. And then we take the tempered glass screen shield. We're gonna take it with the plastic removable protective piece that's actually protecting the inside of it. We're gonna put that face down. And we're going to line that perfectly, and then we're going to apply some other stickers that came with it as well. So these are some stickers that I'm going to put on the back of the iPad screen protector. That's what I'll be using to touch it to place it into place. So let's put these on here now. Alright, so the stickers are in place. So now I'm going to make sure this is perfectly lined up with my iPad so I can apply the guide stickers to the screen shield, and I'll know when I flip it back, when I'm ready to install it, it'll land right where it's supposed to land perfectly on the actual iPad itself. Okay, so I'm feeling pretty good about the installation. We can move this out of the way. Now it's time to clean the iPad screen. So now I'm going to flip the screen out of the way, and then I'm going to use the included cleaning wipe that they give you for this to make sure I completely clean all the fingerprints off of it. And then I'm going to use the sticker dust picker upper thingy, the sticker for the dust, and use that to get any dust pieces I find in there, because if there's one little tiny piece of dust trapped under there, I'm going to be super ticked off because it's going to cause a bubble that I won't be able to take off. And I just want to be able to live with myself. So let's give this a try, make sure I can clean this really good. Okay, so I think I've wiped it pretty much clean. Now I'm gonna use a sticker to get rid of all those little dust specks I'm seeing on there. Alright, I believe I've gotten all the dust pieces off. Now it's time to peel off the protective cover off the screen shield itself. Now I'm going to use those sticker tabs that I attached to it to flip it over and make sure it lines up perfectly with my guides on the iPad. Ooh, I'm feeling good about this, guys. I'm feeling really good about this. I'm not saying anything so far. So of course, it does include a squeegee thing so you can get any bubbles out. So we got two big bubbles right here we need to push through. I'm hoping there's not any dust underneath that, because then that's not gonna go away. It looks like it's moving. There it goes. That one's kind of going through. Alright, so far it looks like it went on pretty dang smooth. Alright guys, for the most part, I'm feeling pretty dang good about this. No real issues. I have a little bubble that keeps kind of appearing here, but there's no dust there, so I don't know if it's just like, I don't know, maybe I have some oils or something that were still on there, or maybe it's like kind of slightly wet spots, so hopefully some of those will kind of work their way out. This is pretty much straight to the edge of the iPad, which is very nice. So it pretty much goes straight to the corner edges. So keep that in mind if you do have iPad cases. I like the one I have here, kind of wraps around the edges of this. I'm hoping this case doesn't pull it up or mess with it. But not too bad, guys, for a screen shield that cost me $6. That's it looks pretty nice. Definitely the texture is super smooth. It feels just like all the other glass screen shields I've used in the past. That even the ones that cost, you know, 30, 40 bucks. So I can't tell the difference. I think overall it's going to do a good job of protecting the screen and you know, in regards to scratches and things like that. So I'm not worried about that whatsoever. Alright guys, that's it. So if you guys want to purchase this product, I'll have a link down below in the description. Make it easy for you to find. $6, can't go wrong with that. The Max Boost tempered screen protector. If you want to check out some of my other videos, like the one video review I have of the $10 Moco case for the iPad Pro, click on that clip right there on the side. And if you guys want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure you click on my face to be notified of all my reviews. Make sure you ring that bell, and I will see you guys in the next video review.